Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these pretty little bows. You can add them to your Christmas decorations, or you can attach them to your gift tags and put on your Christmas presents. They're really easy to make. They only take a couple of minutes and no sewing is required. We're going to make them all in one go. So we're going to start with a magic ring. I'll show you how I make mine. I take my yarn, put it between my fingers, grab it and twist it up. I pinch it. I insert my hook from the front, grab the yarn and pull through. Now I'm going to chain one just to secure the magic ring. And we're going to add another 2 chains, so we're going to start with chain 3. Now we're going to make 4 treble crochets inside the ring. To treble crochet, you want to yarn over twice, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. That's our first one. Let's make 3 more. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. That didn't work. I'll start that again. So yarn over, yarn over twice. Grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through the next 2 and the last 2. That's our second one. Yarn over twice, pull through 2 and 2 and 2, and last one. So we've got our 4 triple crochets. We started with chain 3, so we're going to end with chain 3. So chain 3 and slip stitch inside the ring. To slip stitch, you insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull through, and then just pull straight through. So that's one half of our bow. Now we're going to make 2 single crochets into the ring. To single crochet, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, yarn over and pull through 2. And let's make another one. And now we're going to make the second half of the bow. So we're going to chain 3 again. And now we're going to make 4 treble crochets inside the ring. So again, yarn over twice, pull through 2 and 2 and 2. Second one, third one, and fourth one. And now we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the ring. 3 and slip stitch. And now we're going to get straight onto making the ties. So pull on your tail end a little bit to close the ring slightly, not fully. And to make the ties, we're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to go back on ourselves and going to make single crochet into each of the chains. So leave the first one, insert your hook into the second one from your hook, grab your yarn, pull through and pull through both, and going to single crochet back on ourselves right back to the magic ring. So got 3, oops, and when you reach the top, we're just going to slip stitch back into the ring. So pull through and pull straight through again. And that's our first tie. And now we're going to get on to making the other one straight away. So again, chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again we're going to go back and single crochet into each of these chains. Leave the first one, start with the second one, left that a bit tight there. There we go. One more. And again we're going to slip stitch inside the ring. And there's our bow. So we're going to pull up a loop, going to cut your yarn, leave a little bit of a length so we can wrap it to create the center. We're going to pull this yarn through like so, and now you can pull on your tail end and tighten your center like that. So that's our bow. We're going to take our longer tail and start wrapping it round the center. So bring it backwards and through the center, and in between these ties just start looping it round. You want to finish at the back. Now grab your starting tail end and start wrapping that round too. Oh, yes, yeah. And you want to finish at the back too. Now you turn your bow and just tie these two ends together. Make a knot. Make a couple of knots before you cut it off. 1, and 2. Now tie it tight and cut off your ends. And just manipulate your bow to a shape that you like. There we are. Really quick and easy, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.